In this video, I am going to show you how to get and redeem Hostinger coupons. To get coupon codes, 1. Visit the official website. 2. Subscribe to their newsletter if they offer one. 3. Follow on social media the platforms like Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. They might occasionally share coupon codes or run giveaways on these channels. 4. Affiliate website or YouTube channels. Some content creators or affiliate marketers may provide coupons that they share with their audience. 5. Third-party coupon websites. Check popular coupon websites like RetailMeNot, Coupons.com, or Deals Plus. 5. Partnerships or collaborations. And 7. Promotional emails if they have ones. I am going to give you now one promo code or coupon code for this. Write it and you will have a discount. Select your desired Hostinger plan from the options provided with the coupon already applied. After selecting your plan, you'll be directed to the checkout page. Here, you'll need to provide the necessary information and fill in your payment details. Once filled, proceed to complete the transaction. After successful payment, you'll gain access to Members area where you can manage your Hostinger account. With your transaction complete, you can now enjoy your website hosting services. Begin by building your website with this coupon. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.